Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious egg drop soup, Panlasang Pinoy style. First, let's prepare our flavorful base. Combine 3 cups of rich chicken broth with 1 cup of water in a cooking pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil. Once simmering, add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, allowing the aromatic ginger to infuse its wonderful essence into the broth, creating a fragrant foundation for our soup. Next, we'll thicken our soup to that perfect, comforting consistency. In a small bowl, dissolve 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch in 1/4 cup of water, mixing it until completely smooth. This is our slurry. Now, slowly pour this cornstarch mixture into your boiling broth, making sure to stir continuously. Keep stirring until the soup thickens to your desired texture, which usually takes just about 1 minute. Now for the signature egg ribbons. Take 2 large eggs and beat them well in a separate bowl. Before adding them, reduce your soup's heat to a low simmer. This prevents the eggs from overcooking too quickly. Slowly pour the beaten eggs into the simmering soup in a thin, steady stream. As you pour, gently stir the soup in a circular motion. This technique creates those beautiful, delicate egg ribbons or flowers throughout your soup. Finally, let's perfect the flavor and get ready to serve. Season your delicious egg drop soup with salt to taste, adjusting until it's just right for you. For an extra layer of aromatic depth, you can add a dash of sesame oil. Ladle the warm soup into serving bowls and garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped green onions. Serve your homemade egg drop soup immediately for a comforting and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.